Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram. Are you ready? Today I am going to talk about jobs. This is a really common topic because most adults have a job or some type of work. Let's talk about the different types of jobs that people have. One common type of job is a part-time job. A part-time job is a job where you work fewer hours. I had part-time jobs when I was younger. I worked at a clothing store, at a restaurant, and at my university. Many students have part-time jobs. They study in the morning and work in the evening. I did this when I was a student in the US. Many teenagers get a job when they are in high school. I got my first job when I was 17. I was in my last year of high school. I worked at a clothing store called Hollister. I did not like that job, but I liked earning money. Some of my classmates worked at fast food restaurants like McDonald's. I also had a part-time job when I was in college. When I was in college, I worked at the university dining hall. A dining hall is the place on a university campus where students eat. I worked as a cook and a dishwasher. I did not like washing dishes. I liked cooking more than washing dishes. How about you? Have you ever had a part-time job? Okay, now let's talk about full-time jobs. In the US, people who have full-time jobs usually work 40 hours a week or more. Some people work 50 or 60 hours a week. For some full-time jobs, you need a college degree. For other full-time jobs, you do not need a degree. In the US, there are many different jobs available in different industries. Some examples of industries are finance, marketing, medicine, IT, and education. I work in the education industry because I am a teacher. There are many good jobs in the US for people who do not have degrees. For example, you can be an electrician, a plumber, or a truck driver. People who have these jobs can make good money. In the US, most salaries are high compared to other countries. Americans make a lot of money, but they also have to spend a lot of money. Life is very expensive in the US. The normal schedule for full-time jobs is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. However, some people start earlier, like at 8 a.m., and some people start later, like at 10 a.m. I start work pretty early, at 7:30 a.m., but I also finish work early, at 4:30 p.m. I prefer starting work early and finishing work early. Most people work Monday to Friday, and they have weekends off. Most people do not like working on the weekends. I work in the morning on Saturdays, but I have Sundays off. I never work on Sundays. How about you? What is your work schedule? All right, that is all for today. Leave a comment and tell me about your job. Remember to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and follow us on Instagram for more English tips and lessons. I will see you next time.